Did you make a mistake while you were sewing and need to take your stitches out? Well, all you need to do is use this handy dandy little tool, the seam ripper. It comes in various shapes and sizes, and it consists of a ballpoint, a sharp pointed tip, the handle, and a blade right in the center. And how to use a seam ripper. It's used to take out stitches that you did in error or that you just want to take out. Method 1 of how to use it: pick the stitches on the wrong side of your fabric. Does this method sound familiar? If it does, leave me a comment and let me know. My name is Monday of Monday's Threads and MondayChisenga.com, the voice behind this channel. If you love to learn more about sewing and sewing tools, be sure to subscribe and like this video. Picking off the last bit of that backstitched area, and this is pretty much how we use method 1 to seam rip our fabric. Method 2. Picking the stitches in the center of your seam. You want to start out by picking out the back stitch on your fabric, and then you will open that up and continue by picking the stitches on your center seam. Always remember that the pointed tip is quite sharp, so you want to exercise care when you are using this method. If this method seems familiar to you, go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know, yes, I have used this method. Method 3, place the blade on the center of the seam. So you want to start by picking off the back stitches. We do this because these are the most secure stitches and they're slightly harder to pick off. So once you pick those off, it's easier for the rest of your fabric. So you want to open up your fabric and fold it as shown, and then slightly glide or place the blade right onto your stitches, like how I'm doing. And you almost want to like separate or apply some pressure to each side of your fabric. Does this look familiar? Let me know in the comments. And that is pretty much the 3 methods of how you use a seam ripper. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.